usually in an emergency situation, sometimes the unpreparedness is a very important, if not critical factor in um, meeting the needs or mitigating the risk and let's say the disaster where the local supply chain is simply unable to meet those demands, whether it's for PPEs or parts for broken ventilators or the frontline workers, equipping them fast enough. Uh, the 3D printing is an interesting method because it sort of democratized the manufacturing method to individuals or even organizations or even factories where the digital design can simply be forwarded, emailed, downloaded, and the machine, together with the ample supply of filaments and the raw materials, can be used to manufacture on the spot and on demand. In the case of the pandemic that we are still on and how it developed beginning of the year, the needs was identified, and then the biggest question is, do we have enough supplies for PPEs or uh, uh, parts that can be used to repair, or if not, produce machines like ventilators? So starting with the PPEs, we're talking about masks, about face shields, about things that can be used to augment protective equipment, clean room supplies, if you may. A lot of those things normally are sufficient if the number of patients or infected people, let's say in a pandemic or a flu season, can be met. But in this case, there was a rapid demand as well as trying to mitigate the risk of infection. So in a way, additive manufacturing answered the call by making available soon, even with a slower manufacturing method such as 3D printing, those supplies. Now, what we're also learning is 3D printing is a good way to augment rapid prototyping or even production of things that can be made by injection molding, which is making the molds or improving the design so that an injection molder can use it.